all the way forward. Lord, it's a phone call coming through. Now, as you can see, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Camille Jules here with another wig review. Yes, it is another headband wig today. Now, I try to do different textures, different lengths, different companies so that you guys can see how they vary from company to company. So Jessie's selection was actually, before we get into the details of the unit, we have to talk about the lippy. Let me grab that lippy. So the lippy that I'm wearing today is a collab liquid lipstick. This is their matte lipstick and it is in the color Kink. So you've got this beautiful color here. And now into the details of this unit. Jessie's selection was kind enough to send me this beautiful wig for review. Thank you so much to Jessie's selection. I really appreciate it. This is how the wig looks straight out of the package, and I'm going to show you the goodies that came in the box. This is the packaging that it, like, look at how cute this is. You guys already know how I am a sucker for cute packaging. Like, look at that. Beautiful. And that's not all. So when you take the box out of the bag, this is what the box looks like. Love it. It says High Life Luxury Hair. I'm excited to review this wig. Another cheetah leopard print headband. I think I've got about 1 million of these now. And then we've got some beautiful lashes here. Wig cap. And this is like a headband that you can tie. It actually looks like a tie. And there's 2 sides. And then here's another one. Cute. There's horses on it on one side. And then you've got a yellow pattern on the back. So this is awesome. So you basically get like a 2-in-1 with these. Then you've got a care card. Velcro here. So at the front, you've got 1 comb in the middle, 2 combs on either side. You've got the comb in the back, and there are no adjustable straps. So this is how the wig looks straight out of the package. Very beautiful. This is their 22-inch body wave human hair headband wig. The hair is very, very soft, and you can see it has this beautiful body wave here. This is a very, very beautiful wig. I don't remember how much it retails for at the moment, but I will put that either on the screen or in the description box below. Also in the description box is a link to this wig if you would like to purchase the wig. Make sure you use my coupon code so you can save some money. So nice, it's human hair. So benefits of human hair is that it lasts a lot longer than synthetic hair, especially if you take good care of it. It can last years. It is very soft. It's got this beautiful body wave. I love the density. It's got a very beautiful density. This is the left side. This is the right side. And this is where it falls at the back. And for reference, I'm 5'2.5". Yes, the hat counts. This is a human getting hair in my mouth. Because this is a human hair unit, it is heat safe. Just be careful when you're using heat. Just like your natural hair, you can burn the hair if the heat is too high. You can also color the hair. Again, make sure you know what you're doing or else you can ruin the hair. And if you don't know what you're doing, enlist in the help of a professional or let a professional color or dye the hair for you. Headband wigs. I have reviewed a whole lot of headband wigs. So if you guys have been with me for a while, you guys have probably seen them all. Probably you're tired of them by now, but I love headband wigs because they're so easy and they're so convenient. And I just want to make sure I bring you guys all the different kinds of headband wigs that are available, from very affordable, budget friendly to maybe not so budget friendly, but at least you guys can do some comparisons and see how they really look. I'm running my fingers through it. And I'm not getting any shedding and I'm not getting any tangling. Love this. So as I run through it, you see that it's adding a little more volume to it. I really love voluminous hair. I love hair with volume. Look at that. Beautiful. Cap size is a little bit snug, so it isn't big head friendly. Now, as you can see, I have the headband all the way forward. Actually, I can put it forward even more. And that way it can conceal your hairline. So if you are experiencing any hair loss, or if you simply just don't feel like doing your edges and you want to wear it all the way forward, maybe you like it, the look this way, you can wear it this way. Now, I actually like to fold mine And that, I just like the look. Shows the edges a little bit if you want to show your edges. And also when you're wearing headbands, alternate headbands, it makes it easier to conceal this black headband when you fold it back. Now I'm going to show you some different styles. Headband wigs are easy, throw on and go, and you can easily restyle them as well. So I'm going to show you a couple styles. Why am I sitting sideways? That's just like, okay. Whew. Now I have done a lot of, sorry guys, I'm sitting sideways because my chair, the stool that I'm sitting on keeps moving. So I was like sitting like this. Okay, now we're front and center. I'm going to do a couple of styles with this wig, but I actually have a video where I did 9 different ways to style your headband wig. So click the link above and how you can restyle your headband wigs. And so here we go with the first style. Pros, it's a headband wig, so there's no lace to cut. There is no lace to lay down. It is very convenient if you want to go to the grocery store, if you want to go to the gym, if you want to go on your Zoom calls. Headband wigs. If you want to put on something quickly at home, you don't want to fuss around with your hair, headband wigs. Cons, I don't really have any cons. I mean, I love headband wigs. So thank you once again to Jesse's Selection for this absolutely beautiful wig. I really love it. Make sure you look in the description box below for the link to purchase this wig, and make sure you check in the description box below for my coupon code so you can save some money. Let me know what you think about this wig. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell. That way, anytime I upload a new video, you get the notification. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Link down below and also in my about section here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support. And as usual, we gotta do wig dance, wig dance, wig, 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 wig. Bye guys.